she has a really good recipe. John is not here today, so we're gonna make homemade meatballs. So we already put the egg in. Here's my aunt.
Hi, I'm Auntie. Nice to meet you all out there in YouTube land. Oh, sorry.
First we're gonna put in the
Grated cheese.
grated cheese,
Cup of grated cheese.
cup of grated cheese, and then a cup of milk,
Oh, really splashed here.
and then a cup of breadcrumbs, and then a plate of garlic mixed.
Never waste the garlic. You never waste garlic, right, Jackie?
Yeah.
We don't waste garlic.
And then a bottle of cold water.
It could be any type of water, but cold, warm, whatever you like. Wow. Okay.
This is my aunt's grandfather's recipe.
Yes, from like the early 1900s. We're going to be heavy on the basil.
A lot of
Heavy on the basil and heavy on the garlic. That was his main thing, right, Jackie?
Yeah.
Keep going. I'll tell you when to stop. Another 20 minutes. Your arm getting tired? You want me to do a little bit?
No.
Up. All right. Okay.
Some parsley.
Mm-hmm. Okay, good.
And then the secret ingredient is the white bread. Wet. It has to be
bread.
wet
Has to be wet.
because then
You
the
could wet it
meatballs
with many
are
things.
dry.
Water, milk, or if you're over 21, you could mix it with a little white wine.
So now we need Hey guys, we're back. This is part 2 of the meatballs, and it's the mixing part. So now we're gonna mix our meatballs. Oh gosh.
It's okay. Look at that. Wow, use those muscles. Try to get from underneath. That's it, bring it over. Good, keep going. Now I'm gonna add basil while he does this because when you're done with the mixing, you have to bring this to your nose and you have to be able to smell the garlic and the basil. Big smell. Big, strong smell. If you don't, you gotta keep this on the side and add it. Keep it going. Let me stop for a sniff. Time for more basil. Keep it going. Really, these should be called basil balls. Okay, I basiled my nephew. Look at this. I basiled my nephew. We'll just bread and fry him. Okay. Go ahead, baby. Keep going. Do you want Auntie to help a little bit?
Sure.
All right, let Auntie get her arms in there. Let me do it. You take a break. All right. Make sure you get it all from the bottom because you want everything, all the liquid that fell. You want to make sure you get all that garlic mixed in so with every bite of the ball, you get a taste of garlic. Right, Jack?
Yeah.
All right. I think we're ready. Snap your fingers.
Hey guys, we're back. This is part 3. We're gonna ask my uncle if he
official
smells
sniffer.
the basil.
He will be the official sniffer.
Let's see if he
Uncle
smells
Gary.
garlic too.
Round of applause, everybody.
Felix wants to go.
Did you ever do that? Round of applause. You get it? What I'm doing? Round.
With Felix.
All right, Gary, Uncle Gary, please come around to the back over here, and you may sniff for us, please. You're covering your nose.
I brought an extra sniffer.
What
I
does,
think-
does Gary smell the garlic?
Yes.
Okay. Does Gary smell? Remember, everyone, garlic and what was the other smell we needed? Basil. Does Gary smell basil?
No.
Oh, what do we got to do, Jackie?
Put more basil.
Put more basil. All right, load it in. You load it, I'll mix it. Oop, now he's basil in his auntie.
Oh, is that a chopped basil?
Ooh, I smell it. Ooh, that smells good. Keep going, Jackie. Keep it going, baby. All right, okay, let's go finish a couple of more little All right, you don't want to over mix your balls either because then they get like dry. All right, so Gary, could you return please to the set?
No one likes dry balls. Better.
Better, he says better.
Hey guys, I'm back with my aunt, and this is part 4. Now we're gonna roll the meatballs.
Okay, we get a little bit here in our hands, like on our fingertips, because you don't want to make the meatballs too big, so get them. You're gonna give them a roll. Now my daughter Gianna taught me a trick. Bounce it. It makes it nice and round and smooth. Give it another little roll, and look at that. 2 perfect meatballs.
Mine's bigger.
That's okay. Put them in your plate. Let's do one more to show the audience. Fingertips, okay? Couple of rolls, bounces, couple of rolls, expose your meatball. Look at that. Perfect.
Hey guys, it's part 5 here, and this is the frying part, and you need to put a lot of oils for your meatballs to get crispy, and to make sure the oil is hot enough, put a little piece of meatball
Come and zoom in on this camera, lady.
Put it in
And
the
that's
oil.
how you test to see if the oil's ready. A little piece, okay?
And
Okay.
now we're gonna deep fry our meat.
Well, not deep fry.
Pan fry.
Yes. Yeah, say how you know.
And you need to be gentle because, like last year, I put salmon in the pan and I had to go to the emergency room because the oil splattered on me.
Yeesh, good thing it wasn't a shark. Did you ever fry shark? No? Swordfish? Very good. And you just line them all around the pan.
And people like them different ways. Crispy, not that crispy, or
These are going to
burnt.
come crispy on the outside and medium rare on the inside. Perfecto. Right, Jack?
And then we're gonna show you our reactions of tasting them.
Ooh,
Hey
they're
guys,
done.
it's part 6.
Ooh.
Hey!
Oh.
You worked harder on these meatballs. Not ready for testing yet. We get to taste test first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, well now we're
Final
gonna
product?
taste test our meatballs. Here we go.
Okay, Jack. Wait for me, Jackie.
Mmm.
Mmm. Oh, you taste the garlic and the basil.
1 through 10, I give it a 10.
1 through 10, I give it an 11. Delicious, right?
They taste fresh. And you're dripping on them.
Oh! I think we can invite the grown-ups down.
Oh.
Dig in, boys.
Mm.
I need a little salt on mine. Just really.
Dad, you're messing up the whole thing.
Grandpa Focolino would be very proud.
Now you can wrap it up and
On 3, everybody
thank
say.
you for coming.
What, Dad? You're messing up.
Oh, man.
Okay. Want to close it up?
Yeah.
Glenn just made it rated R.
3, 2, 1.
Manja.
Hey guys, this is Cooking Bros. And today me and my auntie are
She's back.
are making tomato salad. And we're gonna put our ingredients in. We have fresh grown basil in our garden,
Grandpa, as of Grandpa makes it, and we have
red onion, cucumber, mozzarella balls, water, red wine vinegar, oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and our secret ingredient, sugar.
a little bit of sugar. Always add a little bit of sugar. And you can't have tomato salad without
Tomatoes!
fresh Jersey tomatoes. Thank you everyone for the audience participation.
Now, we're gonna put our
It's time
ingredients.
to mix it up. Get everybody out of here. Get these hands out. Go. Okay. All right, Jackie.
It's here. Oh no.
Just dump it in, babe. Pick up. We don't want to use the one from the floor. Okay, I'm gonna dump the rest in for us so it doesn't make a mess. All right. Basil in. Onions in. Cucumber. Oh, 2 hands with the cukes. 2 hands with the cukes. Flimsy dishes.
Cucumber
Cucumbers.
in.
Mutzies. Little mutzi balls in. All right, Jackie. Go.
Water in.
Aye. Okay, and splash my tootsies.
Red wine vinegar. And
In.
oil. And
Okay.
a little bit of salt.
A little bit more. Good.
Pepper.
The dog's gonna bark. Just right there. My dog always seems to bark for the pepper. We're not sure why. Good. Wheel. And the secret ingredient. Could I do the secret ingredient? A little sugar. Always need a little sugar. Don't overdo it. You always can add at the end. Now, Jackie, start stirring. Remember what I said from when we did the balls, right? You get it from the bottom. Scoop it all up so everything gets... Go ahead, I'll do the back score here, back score. Try not to lose any. They already ate enough cucumbers on me. All right, I'll finish it up. Get 2 spoons for us, Jack Attack. Get 2 spoons. We're going to do a taste test because we always, when you're making a salad, you have to taste it along the way to see if you have everything you need in there.
Just saying, I'm
So-
not gonna have the tomato, just the other thing.
I will have it all. Jack will scoop up whatever he needs to scoop and never double dip a spoon or any chips, or just double dipping is just a no-no. All right. A little bit of cucumber, basil, tomato, and you gotta get a Jersey tomato in that scoop.
No, you don't.
Yeah, you do. Get it? Chase the tomato if you have to, and it'd be the basil. Are you ready, Jack? Cheers! Cheers! Don't knock my bowl over. I'm thinking more vinegar, right? Garlic powder and salt. Let's do it.
Here we go.
We added a little more salt, garlic powder, and red wine vinegar. We're about to see if that worked.
Kind of good.
On a scale of 1 to 10, I give it a 10.
12.
13.
15.
Thanks for coming. Thanks for sharing our Sunday afternoon down the shore cooking activities today of fried Grandpa Focarino meatballs and fresh Jersey tomato salad. Thanks.